Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to VLOOKUP-Excel.com tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a wonderful speedometer chart. But in case of creating one that is only single, we want a one size fits all, and this means we want multiple charts in one chart being displayed one by one. Well, just imagine you have 3 or 4 different charts, and look at this. This is such a mess. You need so much space, it's wasting too much space. So how can you make it easier? How can you put multiple charts in one? Well, here's the solution. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So first of all, if you did not learn how to create a speedometer dashboard, I would recommend you to watch my video course about speedometer dashboard, because this is essential. Without that, I cannot get ahead to show you the other part. So first do that before you do this one. So now let's get started. So I assume you have everything ready, so I'm going to put everything very quickly in here, and you can see this is all the information. I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to move it in here. Next, I'm going to move this a little bit in here, and I will remove this for, well, this one will be blank for now. So just imagine we have 3 different goals. Goal 1 and goal 2 and 3, and this, there you are. So first of all, your start needs to be 0, as you know, and then we can give here a few values. We do 25, 50 and 50, and this one will be a formula, sum, open parentheses, select all, and close, enter. Same story here, and we can do, for example, 250, and then we have here a 4, 5, 6, and this one we will give it another value of, let's say, 500, and now one huge value, let's say 999, and this, and I'll give it here, and there you are. So we have something very nice, and now we need to put the value and the pointer. Well, let's make this 30, let's make this one 700 something, and here 333. Well, let's make this a little bit more different. Let's 125, and this one will be the pointer, and this has the formula as well. We have like this, so I'm going to copy this and just copy this and paste in here. We'll drag this, and there you are. We have now nice values. So what is the next part? Well, it's very easy. We're going to create a HLOOKUP. Yes, this is not common. We will use the HLOOKUP, but HLOOKUP will be very useful in this case. But first of all, we will need to make here a drop down box. We need to assign it as a drop down list. To do this, we select these and we give it a name. I'll give it a name goal list. Enter. You can see this is now the goal list. Now we want to assign the goal list in here. This must become a drop down menu. To do this, we go to insert. Oh no, sorry, we go to data validation. Then we select your settings, and we select your list, and then we will select, you can type in your F3. You can see you need to make sure you eventually remember the name. In this case, it's goal list. Mine, you see I have 2 here, and then I press OK to confirm. Now we have here options to select. So the next part will be the HLOOKUP. So how we do this? We type in equal HLOOKUP, open parentheses, and then we will select this, the goal. Yes, and then I would type in here, we will freeze this by typing F4, comma. Table array will be this. This will be our table array. We select these entire things, comma, and then instead of selecting the row number, because the row number will be row number 2, I will select here. I'm going to make a formula in there, and you will understand why. And then we type in here false. And then next, because I see I need to freeze my table array. You see the green one here. If I select this, the green, this is my table array, yes. We need to freeze this, select this by typing F4 and OK. Now you get an error message. Do not worry about the error message. The main reason is because we're missing one value, and that value is in here. So to make this easy, I want to have here a line of value. This will be like this. There you are. The reason why I do this is later on we can drag this easily. So let's see everything works. Okay, well let's try with the next step. Well, I'm going to select here first goal number 1. So we will drag this now. You can see 25. You can see now the value of the pointer is moving, but do not worry. So we do this and we delete this. There you are. So right now we can check. So what is our value? Our value of our pointer is number 30. So that will mean, well, let's make this a little bit nice. If you look at this, the and we can, to have a secret here, you can hide this like this. You press here on white and there you are. No one will see this. So what you do is now, first of all, well, you can check. The pointer is pointed to number 30, and 30 is in here, as you can see. So this is the first one. So this is correct. So if you select now goal number 2 and look what happens, you see that the pointer is moving, and you can see here right now the pointer is getting so thin because the numbers are too high. So what we can do is we can increase the pointer size like this, or maybe 10. That's more better. I'm sure that this one needs to have even a bigger pointer. I'll select this as 25. We will see. So if we type in, select now goal number 3 and look, there it is. You can see the pointer here is as well very thin. So let's make this maybe 100. Yeah, 100 is fine here. And there you are. So this is the way how you can do this. And probably for most speedometer charts, you will not use a pointer this high or not these many values. However, it's possible, but most likely not. But this is the way how you can create a multiple speedometer chart in one. This is my one size fits all method, and it saves a lot of space, and it's very easy to track without being without struggling with all the information you have and all the charts and sheets you have. So I hope this is very useful, and if you still have any other things you want to learn, don't mind to look at www.vlookup-excel.com, and you will learn the best possible things about Excel. So I hope this was helpful, and enjoy. And don't forget to sign up at my site, because you will get a special Excel course on Udemy and you will love it.